US, UK and Europe indices traded bullish yesterday. As expected, we discussed that there is a possibility of a retracement for US 30 till towards 33,300, 400 for Germany for 15,950 levels, FTSE 100 for 7,560, 7,580 levels, and US 100 has got its resistance intact at 15,400, 420 levels. In this analysis, we are going to look at which position you should take throughout this day, trading all these four instruments, and how to profit. The next update on NASDAQ100 and Dow Jones will be released before the US session specifically. You should watch that also. With that, let's start. First, we'll look into NASDAQ100, followed with Dow Jones, then DAX or Germany40, and in the end, FTSE100 or UK100. Do watch till the end. Let's start. And yes, pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the notification of the latest release. The next update, as I said, is going to release before the US session. At the same time, you can also press the like button, which is a great appreciation and great motivation I consider it. And every comment I read, and the comments are indeed great to see, great to hear, great to read, and definitely gives me boost to deliver better. So do press the do comment, do share and subscribe. With that, let's start. Look at Tech 100 on the hourly charts. One important observation, what we have discussed yesterday, for 15,250 levels, triple bottom is done for at 15,250. Remember, triple bottom. Any point of time 15,250 is breached, you can see NASDAQ 100 is turning bearish, and then 15,200 is the ultimate support we have discussed so many times in our previous analysis. Now, right now, it is getting the support at 15,250 itself. At the same time, if you look at the formation here, you will observe higher highs, higher lows here. See, retracement, drop, higher highs, drop, and now support zone is also equally important. You can see the support here at 15,340 is very important. So this below 15,340 is where little more bearishness may take place. However, 320, 300, and then till 280, 250, very strong support. So till 250 you have to put 20 points trailing stop loss in Tech 100. Yes, you can sell here at 15,340, but then you have to trade with caution and with a strict 20-point trailing stop loss, because it is not bearish and it is formed because it is not to be considered bearish at till 15,250, and this is a triple bottom level also. So this is first observation on the hourly charts for Tech 100. If you look at a stochastic on the hourly charts, it is oversold. MACD crossing over for sell. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hour, if you look at 2-hour charts, the moving averages are trading with divergence and trading bearish. Higher highs, higher lows are seen. After this sharp drop, this is a retracement channel, and hence once it drops again below this zone, that is 15,350, 40 levels, certainly more bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic looking down, MACD is trying to converge. It is still in green. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3-hour chart, on the 3-hour chart, see rise retracement, and you can see this trying to retrace a little after this sharp drop, and hence this is still bearish. This is still trying to be, it still has to be treated as retracement. However, first drop retracement, second drop retracement, third drop, all the three times it has formed a flat bottom, lower highs. This is a squeeze out here. A breakout is what we should await. Stochastic dropping, MACD is in green, trading with divergence, and see the slope here and here are almost, see this, the bullishness is very small here, or you can say the bullishness to a scale of 0 to 100, it is now trading with a 20% bullish bias as only. RSI almost flat on 4-hour. Likewise on the 4-hour chart, similar observation here, and this is a squeeze which is taking place here. Yes, you can buy at 15,420 levels. Beyond 15,420 is where we can expect 15,500 levels here, 15,480, 500. So yes, you can buy at 15,420, expect 15,450, 480, 500. Once it breaks 500, sky is the limit for NASDAQ 100. If you look at the moment, drop, retracement, same formation here. Stochastic near to top, MACD is divergent and bullish on the 4-hour chart. This crossover has happened at a lower levels. It can pull the prices little up. You can see first wave. So second wave should happen also. So let's wait for a breakout here above 15,420. Stochastic is retraced. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, 3 candles getting support at the same levels. Also, if you look at this, are identical candles, here symmetrical candles. Here if you divide into 2, you will find these 2 candles as symmetrical. The next candle is an indecision candle, and hence this candle may also show you swing. It can achieve 15,450 or 500 levels and close the day at around 15,400. That is what it can try to do. At the same time, on the downside, swing still towards 15,320, 300 can be expected. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI looking downwards. Coming to this, now you can initiate a buy entry today on NASDAQ100 at 15,400 itself. Expect 15,420, 50, 80 and 500. These are four levels. Beyond 500, sky is the limit. We are going to look at 540 and 600 levels. Chances are less that 600 will be breached, but these are markets. It always goes as what it wants to do. It always does what it wants to do, and hence you can buy here at 15,400 levels. At the same time, a selling entry is only below 15,340, where you can expect 15,320, 300, very good support. Then 270 and 250 levels, very, very important support levels. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Before we proceed, I have a couple of offerings for you. First is my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Next is my Signals channel. Again, reach out to the same IDs for more details. Now look at hourly charts for Dow Jones. You'll find the resistance intact at 35,500. Multiple candles trying to break past by failing to do so. First red candle here. Now you can see lower highs, lower lows. So it may try to continue within this zone for a little while. Support is seen at around 35,380, below which you can definitely expect it to hit 300 and 350, and below that further bearishness is going to prevail. So yes, you can sell 35,400, 380 zone and expect it to drop more for 35,350, 300 levels. Stochastic crossing over for a sell here, trading with little divergence. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hours. On the 2-hour charts, after the flat top, first bearish candle, second bearish candle, body size getting smaller, but it is not yet terminated. So I will wait for the candle closing, and then in fact, you can expect a third red candle also, which might take it till towards 35,300. Now see, moving averages have crossed over here. This is a bullish sign for Dow Jones in the near term. You have to be careful here. This is the zone where it is going to get maximum support, that is 35,300, 330. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit, which means fewer red candles here. RSI trying to look downwards. Coming to 3-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour chart, see lower highs, and yes, one must connect this. Lower highs are seen. So once you see lower highs, this also suggests, this also calls that there will be lower lows also. And this is the channel in which it is trading. Support is seen at 35,100, 35,000 levels. Yes, you can sell here 35,400 levels and expect it to drop for at least 35,300 today itself. And further lows can be expected below 35,300. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, too much divergence, too much bullishness, it can converge a bit. RSI almost flat. Coming to 4-hour charts, similar observation what we saw on the 2-hour charts. Yes, lower lows are done, and hence below 400, yes, you can sell here. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent and bullish and in green, and RSI is almost flat. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, one important point to note, the support it is taken from the 20 period. Yesterday we have discussed higher lows are seen, and we can expect a symmetrical candle. That is what has happened. Now if you look at flat top is seen, and possibly till the time it respects 35,300 to 50 zone, I will not treat this as bearish. Only below 35,200 is where the bears will take over, and we can expect lower lows for 35,000 and below levels. So only below 35,200 is where little more bearishness may prevail here, and till then we have to trade with caution. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is coming out of the overbought zone. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy US30 at 35,500 levels and sell at 35,400. Remember, 35,600 is very important for US30 here, and if 35,600 is taken, we can expect a massive rise for, in fact, 35,720, 800 levels on the upside, and in fact 36,000 is the next milestone. On the downside, I will recommend a sell here at 35,400, but then 350 major support, 350 is a major support, then 300 the next support, and once it drops below 300 is where little more bearishness might accelerate, taking it till towards 35,200 and below levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at DAX or Germany40. Now see, Germany on the hourly charts is taking with the support from this channel, this zone. Also, if you look at 16,000, which it has touched yesterday, which is definitely a great milestone for or a resistance zone for DAX here. You can also see higher lows, higher highs here. Now after this drop, this is a sideways retracement. Hence any drop below 15,850 and 800 is where the bears will take over the charge here. If you look at the movement on the hourly chart from 1600, 16,000, we have seen a sharper drop. The support is seen here at 15,920 and 15,900 till, see, this zone between 15,880 920 is very strong support zone for DAX here. Any move below 15,880 will bring more bearishness. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI almost flat. Coming to on the 2 hour charts, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, bearishness getting diminished and support is seen, and hence below 5920 900 zone is where more bearishness may take place. You can also see the straight line here. It is almost a flat support at 15,850 and 15,820 zone. Higher highs, higher lows are almost seen here. So yes, it can achieve 15,850 once, but then these are also very good support levels. Look at the formation, retracement drop. So higher highs, higher lows, which means 15,880, 15,850 is going to be a very important support. Stochastic dropping here, MACD is in green, trying to converge crossover for sell, RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour charts, similar observation. After this drop, it is just retracing 16,000. I think it should not break 16,000. 16,020 is a very great resistance now. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, trying to converge, RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour charts, likewise getting support here, and hence below this 15,920, yes, there will be little more bearishness. We can expect at least this zone at 15,850 880. It might try to achieve it again, and below 15,850 800 is where the bears will take over. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, trading with little divergence, RSI is flat. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, remember, any point of time if you see it trading above 16,000, just stay long above 16,000, 16,020 zone. Beyond that, we are going to look at this time 16,100 and 16,200 levels. I will observe a bit more, because see, this is coming after 4 straight red candles. There will be a couple of greener candles which might take it till towards 150 and 200. So if it stays above 16,000 and 16,020, just stay long. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone, MACD is extremely bearish, it can converge a bit, and RSI is almost flat. Considering this, I can recommend you to sell at 15,920, buy at 16,000, and remember, if you're selling at 15,920, you have to exercise extra caution till towards 15,850 800 zone. Very important support exists there. Any break below 15,800 is where the bears will take over, and it is going to crash further for 700 and 550 500 levels. Take your positions accordingly. On the upside, we have seen 100 200 can get achieved staying above 16020. Now coming to UK 100. Now UK 100 on the early charts, yes, for UK 100 also you will find 7570 levels. Very good resistance it is providing as of now, and hence any point of time if it stays above 7580, we have to buy. There is no other option here. At the same time, on the early charts, getting very good support here at 7540, and hence I will recommend you to sell only and only if it breaks below 7530, below which you can see till 7500 it has got very good support, and below 7500 is where we may see the drop. If you look at the formation, the support for the right now is 7540 on the early charts. Stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish, RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts also, the bearishness getting diminished is observed, and hence 7540 75320 zone is a very important support zone. Stochastic looking down, MACD is trying to converge crossover for sell. This is important, but it is coming at a zero level. It can continue upside also. RSI is flat. Coming to 3 hour charts, on the 3 hour charts, previous candle was of indecision. Any break below 7540, you can expect a little more drop for 20 and 7500. Now the supports are very important here at this zone. You should watch out for 7520 500 levels. Stochastic looking down, MACD is in green, trying to converge, RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour chart, on the 4 hour chart, see flat top and a reversal. Whenever you have seen such rise, we have always followed with a reversal, and this is trading in this retracement zone after the sharp drop. Hence it is still not to be treated bearish. Any drop below 7500 is where the bears will take over. From there we can say more bearishness is going to prevail. Stochastic overbought looking down, MACD is in retracement mode, it is little green, RSI is almost flat. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the day, one point one must note is higher lows are seen. Second is the resistance. It is observing at around 7570, 7580 and 75600 ultimately. So yes, any point of time, if these three are taken, then you can say we are going to look at 7650 levels again. So yes, for the day, only buying entry I will recommend is above 7570, above which you can stay long and expect it to rise more. Stochastic rising, MACD is bearish, RSI is flat. So I will see only buying entries at 7570 and a sell entry can be taken at around 7540, or rather I will say 7530, but then 7520 very important support, 7510 the next important support. So only and only if it breaks below 7500 today, you can say that it has turned bearish and it is going to crash. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.